Say
Yeah,
that. I
already met him in the workplace.
why do you have already?
I
Oh,
I met
nagkakilala kami sa trabaho. So,
I met him in the workplace.
I met him in the workplace. Okay, but it's better if you say I met him at work.
Ah,
Okay, I met him at work.
I met him
At work.
or his work or like
At
that.
work.
At
At
work
work.
only.
Okay, I met him at work. Okay?
Okay, okay. I
Okay,
met
all
him
right,
at work.
next. Nakita ko lang dyan, nakakalat.
Found out these dirties.
What dirties? What's dirties?
Ano, nakakalat.
So, nakakalat is dirties?
Ano?
So, I found out this dirties. Okay. I found out, nakita ko lang. I saw it.
I saw it scattered.
Scattered, or just around.
I found out.
Not found out. I just saw it
I just
there.
saw it there around.
Oh, I just saw it there, scattered around, scattered. Okay, scattered around, nakakalat. Okay, scattered. Okay, you know that word? Later we will learn that word, scattered around. Okay? All right. Last. Mahilig din ako maglaro ng basketball.
I like playing basketball.
I din. Ito, pag sinabi mo to, I like playing basketball. Mahilig ako mag-basketball or maglaro ng basketball. Pero may din.
Also,
So,
okay.
what will you say?
I also like playing basketball.
Yes. Okay, I also like playing basketball, or I also like to play basketball. Okay?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. All right.